Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. I wanted to talk about some really nice trade setups and ideas. Now, we're getting to the holiday season, and it's like one of my favorite times of year. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of family activities, but also it's what we call the old Santa Claus rally. So the S&P 500 has experienced a really nice, profitable Santa Claus rally 13 out of the last 15 years. And this usually extends through about the third day of January. So it looks like we're on target for another Santa Claus rally. We'll see how far it goes. But here are a couple of trade ideas. So here's the S&P futures, and here's some trades that we put on last week. The first one of them was EOG. Let's take a look. This was put on earlier last week. This is what we call a cycle low. Nice indicators pushing to the upside. Cycle 1, 2, nice momentum headed towards the 618. So we'll see where it goes, but nice push to the upside on EOG. Gets through that 618. Look for it to go back up to the prior high. So that's EOG. Another one we put on last week was Alibaba, BABA. And this was, let's see here, another cycle low swing trade. You can see how, again, the cycle indicators turn up, get into the trade, breaks the 21, push in the 50. This is the 50% retracement level from swing high to low. Looking for it to go to 618 up here and maybe higher. That's Alibaba. And then the other trade setup that was nice was also Gilead, Gild. This was another one put on last week. You can see this is what we call a volatility compression squeeze breakout trade. This was on the daily time frame, broke to the upside. Our model indicators were up. Nice break on the hourly, back to the upside, jumped in, looks good. I'm looking for this trade to, if it pushes through that 618 at 109, looking for it to go back up to the prior high at 116. That's Gilead. A couple other interesting trades here is one on crude oil. And this is on the, let me get that for you, UCO. This is a levered ETF. And this is for crude oil. This is a potential swing trade low. You can see our indicators starting to shift up here on the daily, hourly. Looking to see if we can get a retracement back up here to the 15 EMA right about $13 and maybe even back to the 21 at 15. So this is UCO. It's based on crude oil. So here's what crude oil looks like. So it's pretty much the same. It's an ETF. So crude oil here, cycle low. This is a trade. I'm not calling a bottom or anything, but this is a potential swing trade to the upside for kind of a reversion to the mean. And one other possibility here, it looks pretty decent, is UGA, which is the ETF for gasoline. Same type of potential reversion to the mean trade back in here to the 15 EMA or 21 period moving average there. And that's based off of gasoline. And let's pull up the old RBOB contract. You can see that. So this also has a seasonal tendency to kind of have that Santa Claus rally. So we'll see how it goes. Just wanted to update you on this. Now, one more thing. I'm having a holiday special for anybody that's interested. Just go to the link provided on this email and click on it. And everything on my site at Power Cycle Trading is 50% off. Just put in the coupon code MERRY50, MERRY 50. At the buyout or at the purchase link or at the payment link when you buy anything on the site, and you'll get 50% off. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, Happy Hanukkah. Talk to you on the next update.